Ocha is more than just a beverage in Japan, it's a cultural icon. Rooted deeply in Japanese history, this green tea has been cherished for centuries. It is revered not only for its refreshing taste, but also for its role in traditional ceremonies and daily life. Historically, the origins of Ocha trace back to ancient Buddhist monks who used it as a means of staying awake during meditation. Over time, its popularity spread across Japan, becoming a staple in homes and a symbol of hospitality. Today, Ocha continues to be an integral part of Japanese culture. The evolution of Ocha reflects changes in Japanese society and technology. Modern production techniques have made this tea available worldwide, yet it retains its cultural significance and traditional values. Its history is a blend of the old and the new, making Ocha a timeless Japanese treasure. Ocha stands out due to its meticulous sourcing and production processes. The tea leaves used are primarily grown in the fertile regions of Japan, where the climate and soil conditions are ideal for cultivating high-quality green tea. This ensures a product rich in flavor and aroma. The production of Ocha is a fine art involving precise timing and techniques. Leaves are carefully selected and steamed immediately after harvesting to preserve their color and nutrients. This process, known as sencha, enhances the natural flavors, making Ocha distinctively smooth and vibrant. Moreover, Ocha's uniqueness is also evident in its packaging and presentation. The tea is often sold in beautifully designed packages that reflect Japanese aesthetics. This attention to detail not only preserves the tea's quality, but also celebrates its cultural heritage, making each cup a narrative of Japanese tradition. The sensory experience of Ocha is profound. Upon brewing, it releases a delicate grassy aroma that is both soothing and invigorating. This initial fragrance sets the stage for the rich sensory journey that this tea offers. When tasted, Ocha presents a crisp and clean flavor, with a slight umami undertone that is characteristic of premium Japanese green teas. The balance between its slight bitterness and natural sweetness exemplifies the sophistication of its blend. This complexity is what makes each sip a refreshing delight. The texture of Ocha is another aspect of its sensory profile. It feels smooth on the palate, leaving a silky aftertaste that encourages another sip. This textural finesse makes Ocha not just a drink, but an experience, enhancing its standing in the realm of fine teas. Ocha is packed with health-promoting properties, primarily due to its high antioxidant content. These antioxidants, including catechins, are known for their ability to combat free radicals in the body, thus protecting against cell damage and various diseases. The tea is particularly rich in a type of catechin called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been researched for its potential in improving heart health and boosting metabolic rates. Regular consumption of Ocha could therefore contribute significantly to a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Furthermore, Ocha offers more than just physical health benefits. Its calming effects are highly valued, especially in today's fast-paced world. Drinking this tea can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, making it a perfect choice for a wellness routine. To fully enjoy Ocha, understanding the proper brewing technique is essential. The water temperature and steeping time play crucial roles in extracting the full flavor and health benefits. Ideally, water should be heated to about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, and the tea should steep for 1 to 2 minutes. Using soft filtered water can enhance the flavor profile of Ocha, as hard water tends to dull the delicate tastes. Additionally, the amount of tea used should be adjusted based on personal preference. Generally, about 1 teaspoon per cup is recommended. Achieving the perfect brew might take a few attempts, but the effort is well worth it. Each element, from water quality to steeping time, affects the final taste, making brewing both a science and an art. This process not only enhances the enjoyment of Ocha, but also deepens one's appreciation for the craft behind it. Ocha is not just consumed for its delightful taste and health benefits, it also plays a significant role in Japanese social and cultural spheres. It is often served during business meetings and social gatherings, acting as a symbol of respect and hospitality. In homes, Ocha is a daily drink, serving as a comforting ritual that brings family members together. It is also integral to the Japanese tea ceremony, a cultural practice that emphasizes mindfulness, aesthetics, and the bond between host and guest. Moreover, Ocha has influenced various aspects of Japanese culture, from cuisine to festivals. Its presence in everyday life is a testament to its deep-rooted significance in Japanese society, bridging generations and fostering a sense of community. Ocha pairs wonderfully with a variety of foods. Its clean and crisp flavor complements both traditional Japanese dishes and modern cuisines. For a classic pairing, try it with sushi or sashimi. The tea's slight bitterness balances the sweetness of the seafood. For something a bit heartier, Ocha goes well with tempura. The lightness of the tea helps cut through the oiliness of the fried batter, enhancing the overall dining experience. It's also great with desserts, particularly those that are less sweet, like mochi or dorayaki. Experimenting with different food pairings can be a delightful way to explore the versatility of Ocha. Each combination can bring out new flavors and offer a new perspective on this traditional beverage, making each meal a unique culinary adventure. Now that you've journeyed through the history, uniqueness, and cultural significance of Ocha, why not experience its magic for yourself? Brew a cup, feel its warmth, and savor its rich flavors. Then, share your Ocha moments with friends or on social media. Invite others to explore the world of Ocha. Whether it's through hosting a tea tasting party or simply enjoying a quiet cup by yourself, every sip is an invitation to a deeper understanding of this beloved Japanese tea. Discover the joy and tranquility that Ocha can bring to your daily life. It's more than just a tea. It's a taste of Japanese culture. Share your stories, spread the love, and perhaps start a new tradition in your own community. Cheers to a delightful cup of Ocha.